In this video, I'll teach you how to set up Microsoft Project so that it automatically links new tasks that you insert between two existing linked tasks. I was providing a one-on-one help session with a student recently in Microsoft Project when he asked me a most interesting question. He said, "Dale, is there any way I can make Microsoft Project automatically link new tasks when they are inserted between two existing tasks?" Well, of course, there's a way to do that, and I'll teach you how to do it. So let's get started. In this sample project, I want to move these two tasks immediately below test product 1, and I want the tasks automatically linked with the surrounding tasks. So I'm going to move them using drag and drop, and let's see what happens. Uh-oh, they moved just fine, but they did not get automatically linked with the surrounding tasks the way I wanted. Am I doing something wrong? Well, sort of. In Microsoft Project, there's a feature called Autolink, which would automatically link inserted and moved tasks with the surrounding tasks. But Autolink is disabled by default in Microsoft Project. So let me show you now how to enable the Autolink feature. To do this, click the File tab to display the Backstage, and then click the Options tab in the Backstage. In the Project Options dialog, click the Schedule tab, and then scroll down on the page until you find a section labeled Scheduling Options for this project. You can see my sample project is currently selected. In this section, there is a checkbox option called Autolink, Inserted or Move Tasks. That is the option in question. If I select it, that will enable Autolink in only this project. But if I want Autolink enabled in all new projects I create from a blank file, then I need to do this. I need to click the Pick List in that section and choose All New Projects. And then with that selected, I need to reselect Autolink Inserted or Move Tasks again. Finally, when I click OK, I've got Autolink enabled. So now let's give it a try. I'll drag and drop the tasks. And bingo! They're not only moved, but they are automatically linked with the surrounding tasks. Well, now you know how to use that auto link option in Microsoft Project. As always, I trust this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure and give it a like. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do share this with your friends and colleagues. And if you'd like to hire me to train the project managers and schedulers in your organization, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you right away on that. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.